Y'all want to help me organize my son's nursery? In case you missed any of my previous videos about the nursery, so far we've gone through my daughter's clothes, picked out anything gender neutral that we can reuse for baby boy. We went shopping and we got a few things that we need new of. And now I've taken the tags off everything, washed everything. So, and we got furniture. So let's put some stuff away. I just realized that that's the pile of new clothes and it never got washed, which I totally forgot about. So our washer machine actually broke, like, I don't know, maybe like a week ago. It was leaking, so like we could use it, but we were trying not to until the new one came. Update, the new one came 30 minutes ago. So we're gonna get some stuff in the laundry as soon as like the first cycle is done. However, this is all clean. This is stuff that we will be reusing. This was all Kennedy's. This is the dresser that we got for him. So I really should be, this is nice. I thought I was gonna have to like wipe these out, but it's like felt on the inside, so I'm not gonna like clean that. I feel like to start, I'm going to take newborn pajamas, just because I was just comparing them. Are the newborn in 0 to 3 like really that different? Just observe that the 0 to 3 is like slightly longer, at least in this brand, so I'm gonna put all of my size newborn stuff like right in this center drawer just because I feel like that's the most convenient. I do still have to get one of those like changing tray things for here where I can like organize everything. Maybe I should label these. But 0 to 3, you know what? Or should I go underneath? You know what? I think that's what I'm gonna do. Oh, it doesn't go directly down. That is problematic. This is like boy colors, right? There's a little bow though. I'm gonna keep it just in case. You never know. This is newborn. I remember buying these. Oh my goodness. So little. So little. These were Kennedy's Christmas PJs last year. They're size 0 to 3 months. They're not gonna fit him for Christmas next year. I have other ones of Kennedy's that will be perfect for him. However, these are just so cute. Like look at the little cars. I don't care. Christmas in July. He's wearing these in July. This is a size preemie. I'm going to keep it in here just in case. I'm going to put it with the other stuff. For those of you that don't know, Kennedy was born mid-October, so a lot of the newborn things that I have are like fall. Like this has little acorns on it, but guess what? Kennedy never wore this, so he is. It'll be like autumn and March, kind of. I mean, by the way, I'm always telling you guys about it, but now that this is in the TikTok shop, I keep sharing it with you guys. This is my Frost Buddy. Look at the ice in my coffee from this morning. I got this coffee at Dunkin' at 10:24 this morning, and it's currently like, I don't know. I just checked, it was like 2:30. Not watered down, nothing. And also the best part about this guy right here is that it's universal. Any coffee shop, any fast food chain, the cup will fit in here, and any size. So, Frost Buddy, I will link it right here in the TikTok shop. I'm a broken record, but I use this every single day. Like this lives in my car cup holder and then comes inside with me. And then at the end of the night, I go and put it back. I really should be getting another one to keep inside and one to keep in the car, but I should probably order another one before they sell out. I showed you guys these the other day. I mean, these go with that little preemie onesie that I had. For some reason, I thought that I would have all girls. Like, I didn't think that I would end up having boys. But, like I've said before, I just normally gravitate towards the more gender-neutral stuff. I mean, look at what I'm wearing. Like, what I wear myself, I feel like, is pretty gender-neutral as far as colors and stuff. Honestly, I'm so happy that I bought so much gender-neutral stuff for Kennedy because it's like, I feel like I'm just saving so much money, you know, by like reusing all of this. Although I will say this, someone was saying that this was too girly because the fox had a bow on it, but it's not a bow, it's like leaves. So, we're gonna use that. This is the little newborn gown that we put Kennedy in right when we got home after we had her. Oh, my other sister also got this little gown for Kennedy as a newborn, and it's just white and yellow polka dots. So, like, that's also perfect. I think these are both, one's by Lulu, one's by Kate and Lane. Okay, so that's pretty much all of like the 0 to 3/newborn of the stuff that we are going to be reusing from Kennedy. And then obviously we do have a bunch of stuff that I did buy, so we should be good. All right, I got to go figure out how to use the new washer machine. I will talk to you guys later. Bye.